I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video will show the increased gallbladder wall thickness in a child of about 10 years. The prognostic value of gallbladder wall thickness in a patient with viral hepatitis is seen in this case. Acute viral hepatitis AVH is an inflammation of the liver due to viral infection. You can see the gallbladder and the characteristic layering of the gallbladder wall is seen, which is characteristic of the viral hepatitis. The normal thickness of the gallbladder wall is usually less than 3 millimeter. In case of viral hepatitis, gallbladder wall thickness is the most frequently observed pattern on ultrasound. Some people with hepatitis develop problems with the gallbladder, particularly in those with more severe liver disease. This can lead to inflammation and pain, causing nausea and possibly vomiting. It may also cause difficulty when eating certain foods, especially fatty foods. Gallbladder wall thickness is frequently observed in patients with acute hepatitis A in children. Hepatitis A is more common in children as compared to the hepatitis C and B. You can see the spleen and it looks like normal. The size is also normal. Autoimmune hepatitis AIH is a chronic inflammatory condition of the liver of unknown etiology identified way back in 1940 and formally called chronic active hepatitis. The patient is a male child of about 10 years. Now, how to confirm hepatitis? Tests that can help diagnose hepatitis B or its complications are blood tests. Incidentally, this patient has also urinary tract infection. You can see a large amount of thick sludge is seen in the urinary bladder. Now, the test to help diagnose the hepatitis are blood tests. Blood tests can detect signs of the hepatitis virus in the body and tell whether it is acute or chronic. Liver ultrasound, a special ultrasound called transient elastography, can show the amount of the liver damage. Now again you can see in the side on position, the patient in the side on position, you can see the increased wall thickness. A fair amount of thick sludge is also seen in the gallbladder. Now the liver biopsy is also used to diagnose the hepatitis. Now the first signs of the bad liver. If signs and symptoms of the liver disease do occur, they may include skin and eyes that appear yellowish, jaundice, abdominal pain and swelling in the legs and ankles, itchy skin, dark urine color, pale stool color, chronic fatigue, nausea or vomiting. Now again you can see this patient with increased gallbladder wall thickness also had urinary tract infection and a large amount of thick sludge is seen in the urinary bladder. Now the normal ultrasound findings of the liver disease, the liver parenchyma should be evaluated for focal or diffuse abnormalities. The normal liver appears as homogeneous with an echogenic texture. In normal conditions, the liver echogenicity equals or slightly exceeds that of renal cortex. Now, the normal liver size on ultrasound, the liver typically extends from the fifth intercostal space to the right costal margin in the mid-clavicular line. But by ultrasound, a normal liver span is usually more than 16 centimeter in the mid-clavicular line. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button.